Picture a torn piece of material or rag in dire need of repair. Hi, this is Sue Ponders, and if I wanted to mend that rag, but someone kept jerking it away from me every time I tried to grab it, I would never succeed. But isn't that what we do with God if we do not take the time to sit still and have a quiet time? He really wants to mend our broken hearts and minds, but God can only stitch together what He is holding in His hand. 9 years ago, I had a mind that looked like a filthy rag. I am not kidding. But thanks to regular quiet times, my mind got renewed. Quiet times have kept me sane as a mother and helped me to leave a sad past behind. So if you have too many worries on your mind, allow yourself the regular luxury of a quiet time and see how God will turn your mind from rag to royal velvet. My name is Sue, and I wish you a lot of happy quiet times this week.